All right, friends. In this video topic, again we'll discuss a very interesting concept, and that is how to display a user notification whenever if we try to add any product into our cart. Let's go back to editor. So before implementation of this notification concept, if I go back to browser, so as we know that successfully we have completed add to cart functionality into our last video. So for example, if I want to add this logo collection product into our cart, so let's first inspect, go to console tab. So here, if I click on this product, as you can see, product has printed and also inside local storage, this product has been stored. But we can notice that there's no notification that this product has been added into our cart. So in this video, what I will do, so for example, if we add any product into our cart, so after addition of that product, also we have to display a notification to the user that successfully product has been added into cart. So for that, let's go back to editor. First, I will open this package.json. So as we know that while installation of this React application, also we had installed a package called React-Toastify. Now this is a package what we had installed to display user notifications. So what I will do, let's go inside src folder. Then I will open this app.jsx file. And here, let's say import D structure. So I will import, let's say from, and here we'll call it as React Toastify. And from this package, I'll get, let's say toaster container and here called toast. So first, let's copy this toast container. I'll scroll, look at here, we are inside this app.jsx. So before this loader or after loader, simply let's call this toaster container. Now, next after this, let's go back to the function. So this is the function. By the help of that, simply we are adding any product into our cart. So add to cart function, and at the last of this function, like here, nearby inside console.log, let's say toast, the object what we have destructure dot success method, and inside here we have to pass the message what basically we want to display as a user notification. So simply I'll call it as, let's say, product added to cart. Now here, if I save these changes, let's go back to browser. If I go and reload, so simply if I go and click over this first product add to cart button, click here. And now we can see after click product printed, and also we can see that here product added to cart. So it means that successfully product has been added and a notification we have handled on the basis of add to cart functionality. Let's close this inspect, go inside our single product, for example, t-shirt with logo. And here, if I click over this button add to cart, product has been added and also we can see product added to cart. So successfully, now here we have handled two cases. First, that is how to add any product into cart and also how to display user notifications. Now in the next video, hopefully we'll work on the listing of all the products what basically we have added into cart into this tabular format. So for this interesting video, interesting course, please hit the like button to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Now let's meet to our next amazing video. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.